to get voice chat on Roblox. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your Roblox, and the next thing would be clicking on the gear or the settings icon at the top right hand corner of your screen. Then go ahead and click on settings. Now you have to note that for you to get the voice chat on Roblox, you have to be up to 13 years, and you either have to do your ID verification or phone number verification. Now for today we are going to be going with the phone number. Now click on add phone and go ahead and type out your phone number, and you want to click on continue after adding the number. Then go ahead to input the code that was sent to your phone number. Just going to check yes on let my friends find me, and I'll click on done. And now you are done verifying your phone number. Now over to how we can get the voice chat. You want to go over to privacy and click on it, and now you're going to scroll down to microphone and camera input, and basically yours will be toggled off, but simply you just want to turn it on. Go through what is written there, and then you want to check the box and click on continue, and that's simply how you can toggle this on. And this is how you can get voice chat on Roblox. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I will see you in my next video. Bye.